The FX3000C controller comes with 3 T-bus DIN rail connectors, 2 of which have no connectors upwards and 1 of which that does. These will connect to the bottom of the controller. On the side of the controller we provide 24 volts DC power, which is then passed on together with the Modbus communication through the bottom of the controller to the adjacent modules or other devices. This can happen from the front side by clicking the T-bus connector on the front or using the pass-through connectors on the back side of the controller. The T-bus connectors are simply clicked onto the DIN rail, after which the FX3000C controller can also be simply clicked on top of those. The 24 volts DC power connector, clearly marked plus and minus, is plugged in on the side. When the power is connected, the controller will make a sound. To the connector in the front, additional T-bus connectors can be plugged in. FDX Compact I/O modules can thus be clicked onto those T-bus connectors. Alternatively, or additionally, the screw terminal in the FDX Terminal C set provides a wired connection to more equipment that cannot be installed adjacent to the controller.